The best smartwatch from Fitbit is the Fitbit Sense $329. We like how it gives you a well-rounded view of your body rather than expecting you to self-administer readings and tests. Fitbit Sense, the best Fitbit smartwatch. The Fitbit Sense is the company's top-shelf smartwatch that comes with more advanced health and wellness features than the Versa line. Not only does it have an FDA-approved ECG sensor and blood oxygen reading, but the Sense has the ability to measure electrothermal activity and skin temperature too. As one of the best Fitbits, the Sense works with both iOS and Android and comes with onboard GPS, a native app store, Alexa and more. No longer is Fitbit just a brand with products for tracking our steps. Fitbit devices like the Fitbit Sense show how it means to take a holistic look at our health. The specifications in a nutshell are: it has one size variants, that 40mm, the battery life is 6 days, it has GPS, it's swim proof, it has heart rate monitor, it doesn't have LTE, mobile payments are optional, it supports Fitbit Pay, and it is compatible with iOS and Android both. The reasons to buy are attractive, long battery life, comprehensive fitness and health features, and the reason to avoid is no Spotify storage.